When humans decide to provide value to each other directly, there's no AI, no robots, no company cutting jobs that can stop that. Think about that for a second. We talk a lot about disruption, automation, artificial intelligence, jobs disappearing, but we don't talk enough about this. The only power those things have over us is the power we give them through our choices. Every day we make small decisions that shape the kind of world we live in. Choosing to replace your thinking with a machine, that's a choice. Choosing to hire a machine to do something a person can do, that's also a choice. And again, I'm not saying these tools don't have value, because they do. But what I'm saying is this: somewhere along the way, we started defaulting to them without thinking about what we're giving up in the process. Because at its core, the economy isn't machines, it's people. It's always been people. People solving problems for people. People saving other people time. People creating things that make other people's lives better. That's the foundation. And that doesn't disappear unless we choose to abandon it. If you decide to help someone directly, solve a real problem for them, provide something of value they actually need, there's no algorithm that can stop that exchange. No company can fully control that. No system can eliminate that, because it's human. And what's interesting is that most people are sitting on value right now and they don't even realize it. Things they're good at, things they do naturally, things people would gladly pay for, or at least deeply appreciate. But instead of exploring that, we've been conditioned to think, where do I apply? What job is available? What system do I fit into? Instead of asking, who can I help? What can I offer? Where is my value actually needed? That shift alone changes everything. Because when you start thinking like that, you're no longer waiting. You're participating, you're contributing, and you're building. And then that's when it gets even more real. Because if more people made a decision to choose people, to work with people, to hire people, to support people directly, you'd start to see a shift happen. Opportunities would shift, money would shift, power would shift. Because all of those things follow attention and choice. So if everyone is choosing convenience over connection, machines will win. But if people started choosing people again, something very different happens. And this isn't some big complicated idea. It can start small. Helping someone with something that you're already good at, offering a service and solving a problem, connecting with people who need what you can do. That's it. That's where it begins. And that's actually a big part of why we built Purposers. It's designed around a simple idea. What if people could easily connect with people nearby based on real skills and real needs? Not just resumes, not just job titles, but actual value. Because when people start exchanging value directly, you realize something powerful. You're not as dependent on systems as you thought. You're not as limited as you thought. And the future doesn't feel like something that's happening to you. It feels like something you can actually shape. So yeah, AI will grow, technology will evolve, and companies will continue to change. But at the end of the day, those things don't control the outcome. We do, through the choices we make every day. So if you want a different future, make a different choice. Choose people and watch what happens. Welcome to the human economy, powered by people.